magical frequencies that surround us all. Hello, divine souls. Welcome to Showers. Divinity in me greets divinity in you. Subscribe to the channel to invite divinity in your life. I conduct one-to-one sessions, personalized meditations, guided sessions, chakra healing, and much more. If you're interested, please contact divinereikiblessings@gmail.com. Sound, magical frequencies that surround us all. In today's session, we will have a sound bath. A sound bath is an experience in which you immerse yourself in the sounds being played. We will use a Tibetan singing bowl for this meditation. The bowl will be used to give sound waves to resonate with the energy of your body so that you will feel relaxed. All you have to do is to sit or lay down in a comfortable position and listen to these sounds. So get ready. Let's begin. Sit or lay down in a comfortable position. Set an intention. I'm here and now to be relaxed. I'm here and now to be relaxed. I'm here and now to be relaxed. Slowly inhale through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. Make sure the exhale is longer than the inhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. This magical bowl is sending you the healing sounds. Be open and receive these magical sounds into every single cell of your body. All the cells and particles of your body are now relaxed and relaxed. All the cells and particles of your body are now relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Once ready, rub your hands together and give this divine warmth to your eyes and the face. Open your eyes. Take your own time to come back to your own space. Thank you for joining me in this session. Divine blessings. I have created different sound bath experiences. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my future videos. Many thanks for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Divine blessings, love, and light.